Alright guys, welcome back to All Around Review. This is the unboxing and first impression of the brand new Redmi Note 14. This is a phone that's been generating quite the buzz in the budget and mid-range smartphone category. It costs around $200 and 250 to 270k in Nigeria depending on your region. Alright, here is the box, clean, minimalist design with the name and picture of the phone at the front. I appreciate how lightweight the box is. Now let's take a closer look at the bottom. There you see the content of the box, model number, color option. I got the lime green, which is kinda popular. There's other information too, such as the IMEI number. Flipping sideways, you see the Redmi Note 14 and Google trademarks. There's nothing at the other side. Then flipping to the other side, you see the HyperOS signature. This is for switching between and a certain SIM card to the phone. We have the SIM information, warranty information, and the user guide, which I'm very sure most of us won't even read. There is a silicone case right here. I've got to say, including a case is always a win for me because it saves you from rushing out to buy one from day one. We've got a charger in the box. This is a 33 watts fast charger, which should be quick enough to power up this device in no time. The Redmi Note 14 supports quick charging. I'm gonna test the charging speed. We have the USB Type-C cable right here, which is great for fast charging and data transfer. That should be all, and let's go back to the phone. We have a quick spec of the phone right here. 108 megapixel AI camera system, 5500 mAh battery, MediaTek Helio G99 Ultra, and Corning Gorilla Glass 5. Alright. It comes with an AMOLED screen with 120Hz refresh rate. The phone is sleek and lightweight. At the right side, you see the power button and volume rockers. The back is made of plastic with matte finish. 50 megapixel main camera, 8MP ultra wide and 2MP macro camera. I'll be having my camera test too in the full review. At the top of the phone, you see the headphone jack, a feature that has been missing in recent phones. Justice for those who still love the wired earphones. I applaud Xiaomi for bringing it back. The next one is the speaker and the IR blaster for remote control. Then lastly, we have the second microphone here. At the bottom, we have the SIM port, microphone, Type-C port, and speaker grill. In terms of the build, the Redmi Note 14 is lightweight but still feels solid in the hand. The screen is made of Gorilla Glass 5. The phone is surprisingly very light, even lighter than my Redmi Note 8. Before using it for the first time, make sure you charge it. It's time to turn on the phone. I'm going to skip the welcome process. Alright guys, this is the Redmi Note 14 officially booted to HyperOS. There are a lot of pre-installed apps, also known as bloatware. Fortunately, you can uninstall most of them. It's running on HyperOS, which has a lot of customization features. I'll look deeper into performance in the full review. We have the device name Redmi Note 14, storage. This is the 128GB version and 6GB RAM. HyperOS 1. This is for the fingerprints, face unlock, and PIN and password. The real test will be in everyday use. I'll be putting this phone through its paces over the next few days, so stay tuned for the full review. And if you have any specific questions or tests you would like me to run, whether it's gaming, battery, or specific camera samples, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and share this video with someone who is considering buying the Redmi Note 14. Until next time, it's Mr. Roy here once again. Bye for now.